Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Alice Takeover. If you don't already know who I am, I'm a traveling freelance model. If you're a returning viewer and you've been watching me grow on this channel, welcome back. If you're also a model or a photographer thinking about starting your own YouTube channel, I have a lot of tips to share with you on how to get started off on the right foot. Today, I'm going to walk you through on why starting a channel has grown my career exponentially, how you can also get started, and I'll share my top tips for success. So with that said, let's dive right in. YouTube isn't just for entertainment. It's an incredible platform to build your brand, attract clients, and generate even more income for yourself. Here's why starting a channel for me has been surprisingly beneficial to my already existing modeling career, and how it can help you become more successful too. Building your personal brand. Whether you're a model or a photographer, or if you're a regular person watching this, YouTube allows you to showcase your work and your personality, helping you to stand out in the community. Attract industry opportunities. Your videos can act as a portfolio, showing potential models, photographers, clients, or brands what you bring to the table. Create an additional income stream. YouTube pays for views, but you can also earn through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and promoting your own products or services. Connect with the community. YouTube as a platform lets you engage with fellow creatives, including but not limited to other models, photographers, and even fans that support your journey. And so now on to the next topic of all of this is how to start your YouTube channel. Starting your YouTube journey doesn't have to be complicated. Here's what you need to do. Choosing your niche. What do you want your channel to be focused on? What topic do you want to cover in your channel as a whole? Will your channel focus on more modeling tips, behind the scenes of photo shoots, photography tutorials, or creative challenges? Choose the topics you enjoy. Chances are, if these are topics that interest you, it'll also interest your viewers as well. Remember, if you enjoy multiple topics within the same realm of interest, you can always create different playlists on your channel. Alternatively, you can create more than one channel if you want to make videos about vastly different genres of interests. Get basic equipment. A good camera is great, but even a smartphone with decent lighting can work. Start with what you have already, and don't feel pressured to purchase a ton of equipment to get started. I personally use my iPhone for a lot of my behind the scenes and photo shoots, as it proves to be more reliable in cases where I don't really want to miss the shot while I'm focusing more on the paying photographer's production. I'm very amateur when it comes to video, and I'm just now starting to use cameras in general. So sometimes I will take the more reliable and still very great iPhone footage over high quality camera video any day, because chances are likely I might mess up the whole camera recording thing. When I do use a camera, I use a Sony a6700 and a Tamron 17-28mm f2.8 lens. And along with the camera equipment I also have a fluffy mic. I either use Rodes or DJIs. And when I record talking head videos like this, I also use a teleprompter. So it's basically like a fancy mirror setup where I can see text and you can't see it, but I can see the text and I can talk to you. It's like a news reporter. So for those of you that said I sound like a news reporter, well, you're not wrong. And I use this set most of the time when I'm recording in my studio and for when I go on photo shoot trips specifically geared towards filming and production. So I'm still in the process of moving over to using a camera full-time for all of my footage and recording. The camera equipment I do use is pretty great. When I have used it, it's proven to be super reliable, but sometimes I still feel insecure and I revert back to iPhone, so I'm always in the process of moving over to using a camera full-time. So I recommend using equipment that you feel comfortable with. And don't break the bank when you're just getting started, because my iPhone cost me anywhere from, what is it, $600 for lower. I got like the iPhone Pro, right now I have the iPhone 16 Pro. I used to have the Pro Max, but really, for what I do, I only need the Pro. And it records just fine. For YouTube, I record everything in 4K, and then when I feel like I have full control over my camera and I can see what's going on, or I'm in a more controlled setting where I can learn better about my camera equipment, then that's when I feel more comfortable to use that. So I also recommend that you take your time to learn your new equipment before ever relying on it in a high pressure situation, or in situations where you may not be able to re-record that footage. Make sure to plan your first videos. Think about what people might search for. Here's some great first video ideas for models or photographers. You could do a day in the life of. You could do beginner tips for posing in front of the camera. You could make a video on behind the scenes of a photo shoot. You could make a video on how to take professional photos with a budget camera. You could do a story time of an experience that really shaped your career. Try on hauls of photo shoot wardrobe. Equipment review of the gear that you already use. If you still struggle to come up with new ideas, you can always use resources such as ChatGPT to help you generate templates. This whole topic was originally a ChatGPT generated script, but I tailored the information to fit what I wanted to share. Remember, fans appreciate authenticity, so don't rely on an AI generated script just by itself to articulate what you need to say. Consistency is key. Whether it's once a week or bi-weekly, pick a schedule that you can stick to. Your fans will become accustomed to your posting schedule, and they're going to look forward to your new uploads at these times. If you think you're going to be stepping away for a bit, just let your audience know. Optimize for search engines, SEO. Use clear, searchable video titles, detailed descriptions, and relevant tags in order to help people find your videos. Video titles, in general, should be around 50 characters or less. Description should act as a trailer or as a preview to what your video is going to be about in more detail, and tags act as keywords. And these should be a mix of more broad topics that encompass the idea of your video, and of more specific topics that are related directly to your video. Whew, okay, so you've started your channel and you're all set up. So now, how do you grow it? Here's my very best tips. Engage with your audience. Make sure you reply to comments, ask for video suggestions, and build a connection with your viewers. Collaborate with others. Work with other models or photographers to cross-promote your channels. Consider attending model photography or content creation events where you can meet other creatives all at once. Make sure to share on social media. As soon as you launch a video, post your video links on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and other social media platforms to let your audience know that you have a new upload. This especially helps when you're first getting started on YouTube. And eventually, YouTube's also going to help add followers and fans to your other social media platforms as well. Improve with each video. Don't stress over perfection. Just focus on making each video better than the last. Stay patient and keep going. Growth takes time, but if you stay consistent, your audience is going to resonate with your message and they'll continue along with you on your journey. And so, there you have it! Everything you need to know to start growing a successful YouTube channel as a model or photographer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give me a like, which is also important to note for videos when you're making them. So by liking this video, it lets me know if you like videos like this, and if you'd like to see me make more. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more things model photography related. And drop a comment below if you have any questions about this video or about making a YouTube channel, and let me know what you'd like to see next. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now!